What's up, everybody? It's Katie Austin here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I have a very exciting video because, well, first up, if you guys love breakfast like I do, then you'll love this. Breakfast is actually my favorite meal of the day, and I always love something extremely yummy, obviously packed with protein as well, and at the same time, easy to make. So I'm gonna be showing you guys 3 easy to make breakfasts that I have on a weekly rotation. The first one is egg-based, and the next 2 have no eggs in them. So if you're a girl that doesn't love eggs for breakfast, I have 2 other recipes besides this to show y'all too. So we're first going to be making a breakfast quesadilla taco, whichever one it kind of turns out to be. They're super easy to make. I am going to be using spinach, some cheese, corn, red onion. You guys can also add in some tomato, avocado as well. I'm gonna top off with. And then I also just fried up some bacon as well. So let's go on over there to the stove and let's make it. All right, you guys, so have my pan actually heated with a little bit left of the bacon grease, which is so good. I'm gonna throw in some white corn. I absolutely love white corn and egg scramble. If you guys have been following me for a while, you know this. Some red onion, some spinach, and I'm gonna saute this first for just a few minutes. I'm gonna also just toss in a little bit of these bacon bits. Just gonna come in here with my hands. Don't worry, they are clean. And toss in some bacon for good protein, of course. You guys can use like ham, ground turkey too, or just leave the protein out. Already have good protein with eggs. Give that a stir. All right, then I'm gonna kind of consolidate the ingredients in the middle of the pan right here. To save time, I'm just cracking the eggs right in the pan. I'm actually not just gonna do it on the side. Obviously be careful about the shells, but I think I can do it. Perfect. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna scramble it right there in the pan. Literally like a 2-minute breakfast. And then last but not least, as I consolidate them, I'm just going to stick the tortilla right on top. Yum. Get a spatula in here. And flip it. Perfect. Then last but not least, I'm gonna throw in that cheese. Yum. Also, cannot forget the salt and pepper. Yum, that looks so freaking good. Time to plate it. Okay, this looks so freaking good, you guys, and it literally took me 3 minutes to make. Incredible and literally packed with so many nutrients. I am going to just come in here and top with some avocado for healthy fats. Also, feel free to use like any hot sauce for this as well. Obviously, your sauce of choice. All right, you guys. I wish you guys could smell this, the bacon, the onion. It smells so freaking good. I'm gonna roll it up like a taco. You guys can also do it quesadilla style too. Whatever floats your boat in the morning, whatever mood you're in. All right. Oh, look at that. All right, let's try it. Oh my gosh. That is so freaking good. Wow. Okay, 10 out of 10. All right, next recipe. Voila. And just like that, my next recipe ingredients are just right in front of me. So we are going to be making these overnight oats chia seed pudding. They're just freaking incredible oats. I am obsessed with them. They are the perfect thing to meal prep as well. If you guys are like really busy people just out your door, I promise you guys, you will want to try these. So I'm gonna toss in 1.5 cups of oats. That was really hard not to spill all of them just right there. I have these chia seeds also. I feel like such an aesthetic girl with these containers. Thank you, TikTok, for making me just so aesthetic and so organized. So I'm tossing in 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. It actually might be like more like 2.5 tablespoons. And then I'm gonna do a little bit of vanilla Greek yogurt. I love vanilla, it adds just a little bit more flavor because we're not doing too much sugar in here. So I'm gonna do 1/3 cup of Greek yogurt. It's getting full. Then I'm gonna do about a 1/2 tablespoon of maple syrup, just for great flavor. Then a secret ingredient, you guys can use oat milk or almond milk, or even water too. I'm actually gonna be doing half of this Koya. It's like a protein drink, just to get a little bit more protein in, and also it's like has great like natural vanilla flavoring. So I'm gonna do half Koya and half water. I'm just gonna do a splash of Koya so it's not too many calories, and water works just fine as well. So I also like really love my oats pretty thick, so I don't add too much water. I usually do like 1 cup and 1/3. So that's what I do. And then I'm gonna take a banana, and I'm just going to kind of take my spoon and mush it on in there. Not super pretty, but it's efficient, and we need efficient in the morning, absolutely. Or if you're making this at night, you're tired after work, we just need efficiency. So I'm gonna go stir that on up. Incredible. Make sure it's all even, and I'm going to toss this in the refrigerator for, I would say, like at least 5 to 6 hours. Oh my God, 6 hours later, I already have the oats ready. No, I'm just kidding, I did it last night. They're literally perfect. So thick, look at that. It reminds me of the, what, Dairy Queen? Oh, not as good as Dairy Queen, just kidding. So, it's ready to go. To pack it even more, you can just top with the rest of your banana right here. Yum. And then coming in for a drizzle of some nut butter as well. Oh, yum. And last but not least, let's do a sprinkle of a little cinnamon. Voila. You guys have to try this. If you've never tried overnight oats or chia seed pudding, I promise you, you will be obsessed. Chia seed pudding kind of sounds like kind of a weird thing. I feel like if you've never tried it, but it's absolutely incredible. And the flavor of the cinnamon, maple syrup, and vanilla, banana, it's just incredible. Look how thick that is too, with the nut butter on top. Oh my God. It's so freaking good, you guys. Wow. Okay, you have to try this one. But I'm not done yet. I have a third recipe for you guys. Let's do it. All right, you guys, this last recipe is my favorite combination on a bagel. All the tastes combined are just absolutely delicious. So I'm gonna be doing an everything bagel, some red onion, a little bit of parsley to top, tomato, cream cheese, and avocado. So let's do it. I'm just gonna come in here, cut the bagel in half. It's also a pretty filling breakfast with all the toppings. So I'm just going to portion it out and only do half. Okay, in the meantime, as your bagel is toasting, I'm just gonna come in and cut my tomato slices. Yum. Don't try this at home. Hot toasted bagel coming right up. We are gonna first do our cream cheese, and honestly, I like to wait like a minute before I spread my cream cheese on so it doesn't like melt right away, because the bagel is pretty hot. But you know what? We're on a time crunch here. We're just gonna put the cream cheese on right away. Now this is just regular cream cheese. I'm not like a big believer in low fat anything. So regular cream cheese, because when I'm eating something like that, I just wanna eat cream cheese. And I just like really don't think cream cheese is bad. All right, next up, I'm gonna take some thin slices of tomatoes. I'm kind of OCD about it though, so I'm actually gonna slice this to make sure it just fits perfectly. We love that. Next up, we have avocado. Just keep on carrying on. I'm still learning how to beautifully cut an avocado. We haven't mastered that one yet, but still tastes the same. Then I'm gonna come in here with some red onion. You only need a little bit because the red onion goes a long way. Okay, secret ingredient to all of this is lemon pepper. You guys, it's so freaking good. I douse it in lemon pepper. It's not the same as pepper. Get lemon pepper in your kitchen, you guys. And then, of course, we want just a little bit of nutrients with our herbs, tossing in some parsley on there. Last but not least, we have some flaky sea salt. And voila, you have yourself an amazing everything bagel, an open face, cream cheese, tomato, avocado, red onion, lemon pepper, parsley breakfast. Okay. It's so good. Best flavor combo. All right, you guys, I want you to try all 3 of these and then let me know which one's your favorite, or comment below which one you're most excited to try. You guys can also find more breakfast recipes or easy to make meals, meal prep ideas, and all of food inspo on the Katie Austin app. To unlock and access all of my recipes, make sure you guys download it, or you guys can just go to katieaustin.tv. And I will see you guys next week right back here on my YouTube channel, so make sure you guys subscribe. Mwah. Bye, y'all.